working. What? What is that noise? I don't like that beeping. This is my NAS. And that is an alarm. Okay, this LED is steady, while the others are blinking. I don't like it. Let me check in the software. Okay, so the configuration says that one or more SSDs are degraded. So I have 4, and one of them looks to be disconnected. One available slot here. So I'm going to unplug it and then replace it with another one. I'm going to the back. I'm pulling the disc. I'm not sure, but I believe it's this. It is warm, but I don't see any abnormal. Okay. And I have right about here a replacement drive. It is a similar size drive, but different technology. This is a hard disk. You can see the disk. And this is an SSD. This will run much cooler, and I expect it to live quite a long time. That's it. Screws are set, and the new disk is in the tray. So, back to the NAS. Here it comes. Now, back to the software. Volume degraded still. So, storage pool. Action. And repair should be available. Okay, now it is. Repair. This is the new drive. I'm going to mark it. This is an SSD, okay. And the drive size is almost 4 terabytes. Okay, this drive is not listed in the Synology products compatibility list. I don't mind. All the data on the newly added drive will be erased. Okay, I do want to continue. And apply. Okay, now it should be ready in some minutes. But this is quite a stressful time. You can hear that the alarm is now off. And it is repairing the RAID. This is very stressful because all the data in these 3 volumes is being copied to the new disk. So, if any of these disks is old and about to be degraded, I could lose some data because RAID 5 requires that all disks are alive, or all but one. But if a second disk dies in the process, well, my data will be gone forever.